All right, Jake, so now we're back and now we're looking at right missing terms. So when you see these, you're looking at 3 fourths equals blank and then the 8. So on this one is 9, 6 9 equals blank and 18. 3 8 equals blank 32. 2 5 equals blank 40. 4 7 equals blank 28, and 1/3 equals blank 12. So if we look at this and you look at one example, let's just say we do 5/8 equals blank, and we're looking for this. We want to figure what number this is, but here is 40. What you can do is you can divide. I'm sorry, I wasn't recording. Over here, you can do 5/8 equals blank 40. So what number times 8 equals 40? You can do it a couple of ways. One is you can do 40 divided by 8, and you would realize that it would be 5. It would be 5. 8 times 5 equals 40. So then it's 5. So you have to multiply because this is by 5, 8 times 5. You would have to also multiply 5 times 5, which equals 25. So your answer up here would be 25. Because this number on the bottom right here was multiplied by 5, the number on top also needs to be multiplied by 5. Let's look at another example. Let's do your first one, which is, I'll do it with you, 3/4 equals blank 8. So 3/4 equals blank. We're looking for this number, 8. How many times do you have to multiply this number to get to 8? So you could divide 8 divided by 4 is 2. 4 times 2 equals 8. So because we multiplied 4 times 2 to equal 8, we also have to do, remember, 3 times 2 and equals 6. So your answer would be 6. So here, 3/4 equals 6/8. Take some time to do the other ones and always go back to this. If you multiply times 2 for the bottom number to get 8, you multiply times 2 for the top number to get 6. Or like the other one, if you multiply the bottom times 5 to get 40, you also multiply the top number, right here, times 5 to get your answer. Good luck! Hey Jake, hopefully those went okay and hopefully you have a couple of examples that helped you. We're going to keep on going and now we're going to go to the review. So good luck! Alright Jake, so we're here on the review. And the review on number 4, it says divide and check. You know how to divide, so I'm going to let you divide letter A, problem B, and problem C. Good luck on dividing. I always like to remind you of this. It said, good actions ennoble us, and we are the sons of our own deeds. So keep going, answer A, B, and C, and we'll see you in a little bit. Hey Jake, so it looks like we are now going to go into solve these measurement equations. So on these ones, you have to do it in your head. So you can do it, think really hard, put your thinking hat on. This is my thinking hat. So here we go. So the first one we're going to see on number 5, it says solve these measurements. And it says equations, try to work them in your mind mentally. So think 16 quarts right there. 16 quarts equals how many gallons? I'm pretty sure. So let's give it a shot. One of the things that I want to show to you is that it's actually pretty quite simple when you look at them. They all have the same denominator. That's the one at the bottom. So see how there's a 6, a 6, a 6, or an 8 and an 8, or even a 16 and a 16. That makes everything so much easier. So let's try adding something. Let's do 3 over 7 plus 4 over 7 plus 2 over 7. What I would recommend is add the ones on top. So this one plus this one plus this one. There's the first one you want to add, the second one you want to add, third one you want to add. So what is 3 plus 4? If you said 7, you got it. Plus 2. If you said 9, you got it. So you would write 9. And the cool thing is that since this is 7, they stay at 7. So you bring the 7 down. 7, 7, 7, 7 on the bottom. You just add the top numbers. Now, you can go one more step, and it's called simplify. So, I'm sure you've seen that 7 over 7 equals 1, right? So if you've seen that, that's great. So here you have more than 7 on top, and you have a 7. So you already know that if you simplify, the bottom is 7. Now, 7 over 7 is 1. We know that 7 will always stay. 7 plus 2 is 9. So you would do 2, and you have a whole number. How did I get that? 9 minus 7 is 2. And because you have 7 up here, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You're taking the first 7 and you're putting them here. You have a whole pie. A lot of people like to see it as a pizza pie. So we're going to do something like this. Because you love pizza and I love pizza too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And pizza pie number 2. Ooh, delicious. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. So down here on the same problem, here you have, it says 9, 7. So you have 1 slice, 2 slices, 3 slices, 4 slices, 5 slices, 6 slices, 7 slices, 8 slices, and 9 slices. The way I'm trying to show you is you truly have 7 over 7. Pizza number 1 is 7 over 7 because you have 7 slices. And from the other slice, the other pizza, you have pizza number 2. You have 2 more slices. So that's why I said 1 whole pizza and 2 out of 7. 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. if you can see it on the example of the pizza, it will definitely help you. So when you simplify, all this craziness is 9/7 or 1/2/7. Hopefully that helps. Let's try one more example because I know these get a little tricky. We're going to do 101 plus 230. And then each one's going to have 3/6 and 2/6. So, again, you already know that when you draw your line, 6 and 6 is the same. So, there's a 6. 3, remember, 3 plus 5 plus 2 equals 5. So your 5 will go on top. And now, guess what? Fractions are done, and you just add this. 0 plus 1, 1. 3 plus 0, 3. 2 plus 1 is 3, and there is your answer. Check. We're done. It's that simple, my friend. So again, take some time to answer these. I know you will do great. Don't forget they all have the same denominator. So you know what to do. Last part of this, it says circle the 3 inaccurate measures. So some of these are trying to trick your brain. Look at them closely and you'll be able to know, is it true that 365 days is 1 year? Is it true that 3 feet is 1 yard? Is it true that 12 months is 1 year? Is it true that 24 hours is 1 day? It says circle the 3 inaccurate. You're looking for 3, and inaccurate means they're wrong. They're trying to trick you. Do not let them. Have a good day, Jake. I love you. Bye-bye. Hey, Jake. So how did it go? Hopefully that was easier, and hopefully you were able to look at the examples and let your mom grade it. Hope you get 100. Love you, son. Bye.